lot of things in life. Time management is not one of them.
Thank everyone for coming today.
My relationship, as far as this tie-up or what we call it,
At Balaji Motion Pictures.
our prime focus to bring in the best possible entertainment with the best possible experience.
Add a new dimension, a new experience.
Sound is something that is created later. I start with my first film in the next year, one of my first few films called Azhar. I'm hoping to bring in with Balaji Motion Pictures and Alt Entertainment and entertain the viewers because that's my and the company's prime focus. Thank you.
देखिए ये बहुत वास्ट क्वेश्चन है. अभी I cannot tell you in which scene how will we experience, but I mean we are making a film on a legend. I was thinking Sangeeta ji could, but I don't think she'll agree. So if you ask me, for me on a personal level, it was shockingly an action film called Mission Impossible. How advanced Hollywood is as far as sound goes, even in an action film. So you expect that experience in somehow a special effects film. Otherwise, I don't know. See, I'll tell you, the film is very controversial. It has a lot of questions. A lot of actors ask when you do such a important casting. I swear, I have no idea. I would love to the sound of the cast, but I really have only no idea. I swear. Mohit's just about to finish. I think he's just about to finish Hamari Adhuri Kahani, and the moment he gets over with it, we will sit on the casting of Half Girlfriend.
Yes,
Guys, this is supposed to be a Dolby Atmos press conference. There is no problem with Ram Gopal. I think we should just finish this. Oh my God, I'm done. Thank you guys. Thank